Hello! I got a very exciting haul today for all you people who love candles and who like Disney and who like Charmed Aroma. Today I have this Poison Apple candle from the Disney Villains collection with Charmed Aroma. So unfortunately, I got these a while ago, so this one is not on the website anymore. Sorry. Oh, hey, my nails match this one perfectly. That's funny. This one is still on the website though. This one, it's on the website, but it's out of stock. So all of the Disney candles from Charmed Aroma, it looks like they're out of stock right now. There is some that are still in stock, but this one is not, and a bunch of other ones. But because it says out of stock, that makes me feel like they're going to restock. So let's get into these. Well, actually, first, before I get into these, I actually want to show, this is the Alice in Wonderland Charmed Aroma candle that I had previously and that I burned and I got my jewelry out of. I wanted to give you guys my review of this candle. This candle smelled beautiful. This candle has a jasmine tea scent with lemon. And on the website, it says that there's a violet scent, which I personally didn't smell violet. I smelled more of rosy, but I definitely did smell lemon and jasmine tea for sure. But this one was a beautiful candle. I really loved this one. And this was a 14-ounce candle. So there's a lot of candle in here. Like, as you can see, that's pretty deep, right? So there was a lot of candle in here. It burned several times for several hours. So this was a really good candle. And this is the necklace that I got out of it. Teacups. Topsy-turvy teacups. Isn't that cute? Okay, I just wanted to share that. So let's get into these now. So which one should we do? I kind of want to do this one. Oops, sorry. So we'll do this one first. And I haven't opened these yet. I mean, I did take them out of the big box that it came with because I had other stuff in that box that were gifts. So I just took these out of the big box, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's open it. And like I said, this isn't on the website anymore, so I couldn't really look up any information on this one. But it does say on here that it is 925 sterling silver. And it says dark and fruity scent. Oh, and it says 12 ounces. That's good to know. So it's a decent size candle. Let you guys see. Looks like it's gold. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells like apple. It smells really good. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Wow. I love the gold. I'm a gold girl, so I love the gold. That is really pretty. And it's got one wick. It's pretty heavy. She's got some weight to her. And like I said, it says on here that it's a 12-ounce candle. But it smells really good. Like it says, it smells dark and fruity. It's got, like I said, I definitely smell apple. So let's see if it has any other kind of description on here other than dark and fruity. No, it just says hand wash only, not microwave safe, not intended for chlorine. Oh, sorry, children. Chlorine, that's funny. And it is a ring candle. So apparently I got size 6, which I don't know why I would do that because my fingers are way bigger than that. Maybe I just forgot to put the size. It's okay. So it says on here, evil to the core. Inspired by the forbidden fruit. Light this jewelry candle and enjoy a dark, wicked scent featuring notes. Oh, here we go. Featuring notes of Honeycrisp apple, succulent blackberry, and midnight woods. Then you've finished burning. Find a 925 sterling silver Evil Queen ring. Reuse the ceramic jar as a decor piece or a unique collector's item for a perfect Disney fan, which I am a Disney fan, so this is beautiful. I love it. Like I said, I can definitely smell apple. What else does it say? Blackberry and midnight woods. I don't know if I'm getting blackberry, but I do smell apple and midnight woods. It smells really good. And then here are the different choices for ring that you can get. So if I had to choose a favorite, I think I really like this one just because that says, you know, Evil Queen from Snow White. But I really, really like this one too. That is so cool. Actually, I like them all, to be honest. This one's sick. But that doesn't really, like, you wouldn't know. Like, if you just saw that ring, you wouldn't say, oh, that's the Evil Queen from Snow White. No. This says Evil Queen from Snow White, and this says Evil Queen from Snow White. So, I like these three the best. Cool. All right, so let's get into the next one. All right, so next we are doing Aladdin. Aladdin's magic lamp. Aladdin genie lamp, jewelry candle. And 925 sterling silver. Right on. So we know this is not cheap jewelry. So I was looking on the website. This right now, well, it's sold out, but it says that it's on sale for $54.99. So $55 for this candle. Mind you, the prices that I'm talking about are Canadian because I am in Canada. I don't know what $55 is American. I'm going to guess maybe $45 American. But still, that's quite a lot considering I was on the website and I was looking at this, and if you notice right here, 1.8 ounces of candle, which is really not that much. It's kind of disappointing that they want to charge $55 for only 1.8 ounce of candle. I know this is Disney and it's a collector's item, and the genie lamp looks so freaking cute. And like I said, it is a collector's item. I get it. And it is a 925 sterling silver ring. So, you know, $55 is actually a pretty good deal, especially if the jewelry is 925 sterling silver. And, you know, it's a really pretty piece. I just wish there was more candle. Like 1.8 ounces is like hardly anything. So I'm guessing the candle part is only this right here. So in my opinion, I think this should be, you know, instead of, like I said, it's on sale, apparently. It's marked as being on sale for $54.99. And then it says the regular price is $70, which I'm sorry, but is a joke. Because $70 for 1.8 ounce of a candle. Like I said, this one, this Alice in Wonderland one, this was 14 ounces. So this is a really good candle. And I think I paid maybe $50 for this. So they want $55 for this one. Well, mind you, I did pay $50 for this one, but there was a promotion going on. But there's always promotions going on Charmed Aroma. So do yourself a favor, don't spend $70 on this. 100% don't. I don't know if I would spend $55 on it. I think $50 is the most I would go, because like I said, it's a collector's item. It's a really beautiful piece. And you do get genuine sterling silver jewelry. So, I mean, not bad, but still. I just wish that there was more candle. Okay, so it says on here, phenomenal cosmic powers. So it says that the scent on here is Moroccan amber, shimmering bergamot, and warm vanilla woods. And these are the possible choices that you could get. Let's talk about favorites. Okay, so I really like this one. I think this one's my #1 favorite. That's really pretty. I like the lamp and the cloud and the stars and the moon. That's really pretty. This is pretty. They're all pretty. I love them all. All right, so let's get into it. Sorry, I had to ramble there for a little bit. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to cut this out and put it in my scrapbook. Yes, I'm a scrapbooker. Ooh, oh my god, I can smell it. Oh my gosh, I smell it. It smells lavish. It smells fancy. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this is. Can't even see it yet. I can see it a little bit through the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how pretty this is. Ooh, it's heavy. She's got some weight to her. Okay, I take it back. This is worth $55 for sure, 100%. Even $70. This is heavy. This has got some weight to it. This is such a beautiful piece, actually. I take it back. It's worth it. I take it back. All that shit I just talked. Look, it even has, it looks like it has a real spout. That's dope. All that shit I just talked, I take it back. This is heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this great. I mean, the thing is small, like the candle portion. I wonder if this comes out. I'm not sure. I don't think so, to be honest. I don't think so. But it is beautiful. Let's smell it. It does smell... It's different. You know, I didn't think I was going to like the smell because, like I said, it says Moroccan amber, shimmering bergamot, warm vanilla woods is the scent. Which, that sounds kind of like a musky smell. You know, bergamot and Moroccan amber and stuff like that. It kind of smells like it would be musky, but it actually smells really good. I'm not a musky person at all. This actually smells pretty delightful. And it's not a strong scent. Like, it's a nice lighter scent. Oh, look, and it came with this. So I guess this wouldn't get damaged, which I appreciate that. Especially if you're going to spend $70 on it. But yes, it does come with the little lid. And look at this. How freaking cute is that? Oh my god. So cute. So I'm going to burn these. And then I will be back with another video to show you guys my jewelry that I got from them. Like I said, this piece is heavy. It's got some weight to it. So what I think is that, because this piece here is metal and the inside of this candle is also metal, but this here is plastic. I mean, it kind of feels like metal, but I mean, you can see where it was put together here, and like you can just hear in the material that that's plastic. This is what it seems like to me. And this is metal for sure. But I think this is plastic. And the handle as well. But it is a very beautiful piece. And it's got some weight to it. So it can easily, you know, sit on a table. Oh, and this is metal as well. It's so pretty. Okay, so here's my nice little collectibles from the Disney Charmed Aroma collection. My genie lamp from Aladdin and my poison apple candle from Snow White. And like I said, stay tuned. I'm going to make a video revealing my jewelry that I got from these candles. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for all your love and support. Take care.